Hi, so welcome to another SY video, and today we're talking about the software that goes along with our extenders, and in particular the software for the Xcalibur HX11 extender set. So we're going to see what it can do and how useful it can be. So we're going to show you how to download, install and use the software just now. So let's have a look at our computer. First of all, we're going to go to Chrome. We're going to type in the address of our website, sy.co.uk, and we're going to go to our products tab. We're going to go to extenders, and we're going to look at Xcalibur 11. I'm going to go to the downloads tab. I'm going to download the software, set up software for Xcalibur HX11 and HX14. So we're going to download that. Let's have a look at our downloads. There we go, it's downloaded it. Let's have a look. I'm going to move that across to our desktop. I'm going to extract that. So now is our Xcalibur executable file. I'm going to run that. Permissions, yes, install. Click next. Create desktop shortcut. Install, finish. Right, okay, so there's our software. So first of all, I'm going to go to our product. We've connected the power in. You can connect the power into either end, transmitter or receiver. We've connected it into the transmitter end. So we're going to connect the patch cable into this end, and we're going to connect patch cable into the receiver. So now this receiver will be powered from the transmitter end with short patch cable. So the other thing we want to do is connect our RS232 serial dongle, which you've got into our computer. You can connect that in either end. I'm going to connect it to the receiver end just for this example. So we'll now be able to connect to this device. So let's have a look. Open, I think our dongle is on COM port 3. Press open port. There we go. Xcalibur 11 is connected. We've got some bits of information which we can see here. So for instance, we can get the firmware version by clicking on there. Right, now it's ready. We can control the HDCP, can enable or disable the HDCP by clicking here. The HDCP mode, we can put it on the output HDCP. This is on cascade mode. Set it to version 1.4, version 2.2, or we can pass through. So whatever's coming into the input will go across to the output. So it's on cascade mode at the moment. That's great. We can set the auto downscaler mode. So the device has got a downscaler built in. So we can control that here. We can set it to automatic. So the transmitter receiver pair will work out the best option for you. We can set it to bypass. If you set it to bypass, then whatever signal is coming in to the unit, that's what will come out of the other end. Or we can set it so it scales from 4K to 2K. So we can store it by pressing set just there. Now we do have a test pattern. Now we can choose from a various selection of test patterns, either checkerboard or a few colors. Let's put it on blue, set the test pattern. And we've got different resolutions that we can send. So let's set. So it's going to send a blue test pattern at 4K 60. So we can turn that on and off from here, from within the software. If we turn it on, then on our connected display, it will throw out a blue test pattern at 4K 60. Great for troubleshooting, for verifying that our display can handle that resolution. If it doesn't, try it on 4K 30. Does that run? If that doesn't work, try 1080p 60, turn it on, and then we can verify that our system is working from the transmitter end to the receive end, from our source to our display. Great solution for checking and verifying that our products work when they're on site. When you're finished, press close port. So there we go, that's how it works. So we can control the features and the different settings on our HX11 extender using this software. So that's how you download, install and use the software. So thanks for watching this short video, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.